Hi, my name is Jeanne Garbarino, and I am a scientist at the Rockefeller University in New York City, and I'm thrilled to be able to talk with you about my views on evolution and why evolution needs to be kept in the classroom at all costs. So when it comes to evolution, I think most people probably associate the word theory with evolution, and this creates a big misunderstanding because evolution is not a theory. Evolution is actually an observable phenomenon that is supported by a significant body of evidence. Now, when you think of evidence and you think of evolution, you're probably thinking of the fossil record. But really, evolution, we can see evolution happening right before our eyes, and that's just absolutely mind-blowing. Right now, as we live and breathe, there are countless microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi that are adapting to a variety of environmental and genetic pressures, ultimately causing them to give rise to newer versions of themselves with each passing generation. And given the sort of lack of enthusiasm in science and across the nation, I just don't see how you would deprive a child this knowledge, this potential to spark interest in science. And it's just really mind-boggling at the moment because it's really fundamental. Evolution is absolutely fundamental. It is the foundation on which so many biological principles have been built, and there are still some many that are under construction. And when zooming out and looking at the big picture, I just don't think we could have gotten as far as a society in terms of medical breakthroughs if we didn't know what we do about evolution. See, because of what we know about evolution and our ability to learn about genetic conservation, we have been able to study human physiology, human biochemistry, human cell biology in a way that is absolutely novel and unprecedented. And that's by not using humans at all. Because we share so many similarities between us and other organisms in terms of our genetic makeup, we can use model systems to study human pathways. So we can use yeast, we can use frogs, we can use chickens, we can use mice. All of these animals have made medical technology and medical breakthroughs absolutely possible. And we can thank basically evolution for letting us know that, hey, these guys are kind of similar to us and we can use them to study human physiology and relate it back to making drug targets and learning about pathways that have been really confusing. So I think evolution and the teachings of Wallace and Darwin were actually the catalyst that sparked a scientific renaissance, especially when it comes to medical technology. So I think that I'm really sorry that there are so many people in our society who consider the teachings of evolution as threatening to their beliefs. And I hope that we can clear up a lot of the misunderstandings regarding evolution. And I hope that one day we don't ever have to have this conversation because evolution really is fundamental. It is absolutely necessary, and we can't teach biology or science without it. It would be incomplete. It would be like teaching history and leaving out the Middle Ages. We just cannot overlook the importance that evolution has played for humans and for every organism on this planet, really. So anyway, thank you so much for the opportunity, and good luck with this project, and I hope that we can really make a difference in what people learn about evolution.